Bezos is taking a little bit of heat from people in our world, in the sort of social media, internet content space, because he doesn't appear to know that much about Twitch. And one of the questions that came up in Congress was, "Hey man, I heard music is being used on Twitch unlicensed." That was a question from one of the Congress people, and they said, "Hey, what do you know about that? And are these artists getting paid?" And then he says, "I have no idea." Oh, I mean, I don't know what his exact quote is, but it's like, "I'll have to get back to you on that because I'm unaware." So people are making fun that he doesn't know. The quote is, "I don't know." But I mean, he's got a few things.
Can you blame him though?
He's got a few things going on. He's got a few things going on, but it is hard to imagine he doesn't know it all, because it has been an issue that's come up and they've hired people to try to deal with it.
Yeah, that's true.
Music on Twitch is a really interesting subject. It's a very mature on YouTube. You just can't use anything. And it's super obvious. It gets flagged right away. They have tremendous tools that are able to sniff that stuff out. Twitch, on the other hand, since it's live, really weird. You can't do much live, but a lot of the questioning here had to do with VOD. So stuff stays up and then the music's in it, and then they issue a takedown notice. Now, the proposal here was maybe it shouldn't be a takedown noticing. They're saying if you know people are doing this, using music without a license, and for the record, I don't have a horse in this race. I'm not, you know what I mean? I don't use music. I would love to use music. It would be awesome, but I understand there's rules around that, the whole intellectual property piece component and licenses and all the rest of it. But their suggestion is you should do like those other social media platforms that licenses some music that everyone can use, and then you create a pool that's acceptable, and then everything else can't be used.
Yeah.
I know that's annoying. You can't play the new music. Streamers right now, like, man, I got to play the hot intro track, and I'm trying to, do a certain thing on the stream. So I don't know where streamers land on it, but it doesn't seem sustainable to just keep using whatever music you want and then get all these DMCAs. It seems like a nightmare as far as I'm concerned. So, and now that it's on Bezos' plate and he has to get back to a congressperson and he's mad that he even has to answer the question, probably something will happen. We'll see what takes place. But either way, he's taken even more criticism for not knowing enough about Twitch. He's like, Twitch? What's Twitch? Do I own Twitch?
I bought that thing a couple of years ago.
He's like, I just bought a new place in DC. I think it's the biggest one in the whole town. I bought a newspaper.
I bought my neighbor's mansion.
Should I buy Twitch too? Twitch, he should remember because he paid $970 million for it in 2014. So he spent a couple of bucks on it. So that one should be somewhat memorable.